Hello, my student in Al-Jihad Private School. Today we will review what was studied in second term by Ms. Dina Gamal. Put true or false. Using technology in a negative way helps people to successful digital citizen. False. Digital communication helps to form good relationships. True. Digital tools disrupt Egyptian citizens from performing their tasks. False. You can book a bus ticket to travel to Alexandria online. True. A digital citizen is a person who finds it difficult to use digital technology. False. It is impossible to obtain information about the ancient history of Egyptians through the internet. False. You always have to show negative behavior in dealing with others. False. The digital citizen has a set of rights and responsibilities. True. You have the right to use the internet when needed without any responsibility. False. You must be ethical and responsibility when dealing with others on the internet. True. Digital citizenship is defined as a record of everything you do online. True. You can copy any digital content without the permission of the owner. False. Camera and audio can be controlled during video chat. True. The email address of the addressee can be written in the subject file. False. Messages sent through chat rooms are impossible for others to read. True. To file where the subject of the email message is written. False. Edmodo platform is one of the online learning environments. True. Subject box in which the subject of the email message is written. True. Vlabi platform allows scientific experiments to be conducted in an interactive environment. True. National Geographic Kids contains information about animals only. False. Information on history can be found via the interactive map maker platform. False. Interactive map designer provide online cartographer tools. True. The Egyptian Knowledge Bank is not a reliable source of education. True. Code.org helps us learn programming. True. Uses flowchart to complicate the problem. False. We can create movie by programming. True. Mazes can be created on the code.org website. True. Computers understand one programming language. False. The importance of programming is limited to the create video games. False. Programming is writing algorithm or steps to create a complete programming. True. You must click on the Start menu to access the Paint program. True. The Insert menu contains for opening and saving files. False. It is impossible to edit image through Paint. False. Reliable sources have based information. False. Can I change the type of font you use to write in the word browser program Word? True. Email can be used through an internet browser. True. Email is informal means of communication. False. Video chat application of the necessary tools to send an email. False. Internet Explorer is a video chat application. False. Chat rooms are considered a type of asynchronous communication. False. Instead, video chat is an example of simulation communication. True. Email of the types of synchronous communication. False. Asynchronous communication occurs between two people at the same time through an immediate response. False. Skype is a model for simulates communication. True. Simulates communication does not require an immediate response. False. You can video chat with your college without clicking on the link sent to you. False. Choose the correct answer. The first step in solving a problem is not hypothesis. Building. Breaking down major problems into small parts makes it not resolved. Easy resolved. You should stop testing the hypothesis when solving a problem if there is danger. Trying different way to solve a problem until one of them succeeds is a strategy. Trying and error. While the computer was running and found that it was not responding, I guessed that there was a malfunction in the power key. Called this enforcement. Used not for synchronous communication on the internet. Instant messaging. You can benefit from technology in find out the news. The internet can be used synchronous and asynchronous. Google Chrome is one of the browsers. One of the synchronous communication images, video, chat, and chat rooms. Contact not occurs at the same time through an immediate response. Synchronous. The last step to doing instant messaging is click on the send icon. Is not it is an attempt to answer your question with an explanation that can be tested. hypothesis testing. The hypothesis building step aims to develop knowledge about how the problem occurred. Guesses. The amount of space between the ends of a poster or billboard and its content is margin. Image with note should be used in poster and billboard. High quality. We can run MS Paint هو Microsoft Paint through the start menu. The way words and pictures move within a slide in PowerPoint is called transitions. Uses not key to view slides in PowerPoint. F5. Uses not software to design presentation. PowerPoint. A page is a display text and image within a PowerPoint presentation program called slide. When preparing the presentation, it is preferable to use relevant images during the preparation of the presentation. It is not preferable to use long sentence. See you soon. Goodbye.